What's going on YouTube? Aqst Trade here. So you want to know why Aquestive Therapeutics fell on Friday? Well, before we jump into that, I need you to like the video, make sure you're subscribed and that bell is on so you don't miss on my daily live stream, where I and my viewers have been accumulating Aquestive Therapeutics since August. Yes, you heard me right. We've been buying this one since August. I actually started accumulating right here. Now, the main reason for the slight pullback is a mixture of a few things, like jobless claims. That report always makes the market act strange, or it could be tapering confirmed from the recent FOMC. Heck, with earnings on top, take your pick. Comment down below on why you think it pulled back. And did you buy that dip? Because I know I did, and so did my viewers. Now, before I get into why I think we saw a slight pullback, let's talk about these Q3 reports real quick. Not going to waste any time with a bunch of numbers anybody can look up. I'm just going to give you a couple key things that I found very interesting and you should look over too. So, Aquestive Therapeutics came out with a quarterly loss of 37 cents per share versus Aqst consensus estimate of a loss of 40 cents. This compares to a loss of 49 cents a year ago. This quarterly report represented an earnings surpass of 7.5%. A quarter ago, it was expected that specialty pharmaceutical company would post a loss of 42 cents per share when it actually posted a loss of 33 cents, delivering a surprise of 21.43%. That's pretty amazing in my book. It has been basically putting out year over year so far. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus EPS's estimates 3 times. And I mean, you have to remember, over the past 52 weeks, this company has traded from a high of $8 to a low of $3. So I mean, I don't know what people are waiting on to get in here. I mean, the chart looks perfect. Now let's jump in and look at the charts for Aquestive Therapeutics. But please remember, this is no way a recommendation to buy or sell anything. And no, I am not buying or selling anything, or will I ever. Now, the main reason, other than being Friday and a lot of swing traders, day traders, they don't carry their positions into over the weekend. But I mean, you see this run we had right here since we hit the $3.67. I mean, these assets can't go vertical. They can't continue to go up the whole time. So this is just a slight pullback. Use this as a buying opportunity. But what I have been paying attention to on this one is this big gap we have right here. Remember this gap? I'm pretty sure I got a couple people over there that were invested in this gap right here. I mean, we are basically back in that gap, or about to fill that gap right now. So this is a very key spot. It's going to be getting a lot more attention. Volume has been slowly ticking up. Still not really a whole lot of volume, but this is, I mean, you don't want to be chasing it. I mean, unless you want to chase it, then hell, more power to you. The other thing that got me really excited is the short moving average crossed over the long-term moving average. I mean, this is basically, we set up for a golden cross. And I like using moving averages a lot. This one on the top, this is the 152-day, 52, 22-day. Whenever you see this setup like this is the time to be buying and accumulating. You really don't want to be buying when it's green, because when it's green on the top, that means we're going up, right? You want to be selling and taking profits right here. You need to be accumulating on this stage. Like right now where it's at, I'm not buying no more, because you see where it's at. It's green, yellow, and red. I do not buy green, yellow, and red. It needs to be red, yellow, and green in order to buy it. So I am pretty much happy with my position in Aquestive Therapeutics. If it pulls back, probably will pull back to maybe the 338, back to this bottom right here to the top of this gap right here. That's where I'm anticipating, but like I said, I'm not buying no more Aquestive Therapeutics. I'm happy with my position. I believe they will get that FDA approval for their epilepsy drug. Last year I did trade this company during the whole coronavirus, and then when they were getting the FDA approval, I did make some money off of them. I didn't really think they were going to get the approval last year. There was just too much going on. This year they seem like they are like 99% confident they're going to get it, and yeah, I think Aquestive Therapeutics is a solid long-term company, and I plan on holding on to my shares. I will probably sell about half of my position so I can get my money back and make the shares free, and then go on to another company. But like I've said in my live stream, Aquestive Therapeutics gives me a very Sava feel. If you don't know who Sava Science is, you better go check it out. But they had a pretty big drug that got the FDA approval. That's all I got for you. I'm out, ladies and gentlemen. Hope to catch you on my next live stream or on the next video.